Hello and welcome to LearningTab. Today you will learn how to pay Osmania University distance education second year fees. So let's get started. To begin with, open the search engine Google in any of your browser and search for PGRRCDE. And once you get that in the results, click on that. It will take you to the page and click on this website which shows oucde.net. On this distance education website, click on online services. Once you are on this page, click on admitted student login and then it will take you to this page. If you are a new user, then please enroll your hall ticket number. If you have already registered and enrolled, then enter your hall ticket number and select the course which you have opted for, enter the password and press enter. For example, here I am taking for MA Art English this scenario, so click on that and press login. It will take you to the login page of your PGRRCD distance education dashboard. This is the student login page, and once on this page you will find your hall ticket number and all your details here. If you see at the bottom of this page, you'll see the first year examination fees is submitted and second year it is not submitted, and the fee type is tuition fee. To pay this, click on tuition payment here, tuition fee payment, and on this page it will show you the details for the tuition fee. That is, for now it is 4,500 rupees for second year, and click and select this checkbox. The amount will flash over here. Click save, and on this payment transaction page it will be showing a note stating tuition fee once paid cannot be cancelled or refunded. For any queries, consult PGRRCDE website. So just click on checkbox here, select that and click pay and continue. It will take you to the payments gateway page where, and there is one more thing here, they have updated the UPI. So in this case I will go with this option, that is the unified payment interface. Select the Bhim UPI, click make payment, and it will ask you to enter your VPA. And if you don't want to enter the VPA, then for easy process you can also scan the QR code. Once you click on the QR code, it will highlight it for you. You can scan that on your mobile devices. You can use any of your UPI, Bhim UPI applications. Once the payment is done, it will take you back to this page of your student login dashboard. It will show you your payment for examination application form is successfully completed, and at the bottom of the page you can see the application status. It has now updated to submitted, and it will also show you the date. And now to take the printout of the acknowledgement, click on tuition acknowledgement here, and then you can take the tuition application form acknowledgement receipt by clicking on print. Again, if you want to check what all the fees you paid, click on home and go to payment transaction history. Here, payment history. Click on this purple icon and it will take you to this page. Again, if you click on, it will show you all the details here, what are all the fees you have paid till now, and it will also show you the time as well and the date and the payment status as success. Again, click on print to take the printout of your application acknowledgement. That is your tuition fees. So thank you for watching the video, and please like, share and comment on the video. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, and if you have not, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to never miss a video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.